Welcome back to Meastro's Music, the Group 7 project. We previously discussed registered user navigation. We will now discuss internal user navigation, where we will use my user, which has admin access, to log in to the system. First thing to notice when we logged into the system is that there's a variety of functionality added to the page, as well as extra menu navigational option. For demo purposes, we will be using the user we registered as an internal user as well. But first, when we look at this navigation pane, notice when I click on it, there appears a pop-up where I can in turn remove or change the image. If I close that, I can also add a new image to concatenate onto the array of images displayed above. Firstly, I'll go to the management sub menu. If I go to the management sub menu, I will see that there is a variety of menus of management functions such as statistics, sales, orders, stocks, and users. For this demo, I'll go into users tab, and in the users option it will show all the users registered on the system. As you can see down below, video.demo1 was the username we registered for registered user navigation. Currently his user role is a registered user and he is active on the system. If we do want to change the user role, an admin user has access to change that. For demo purposes, we will use admin as the user, and then we can click on update, and then the data will be updated. As you can see, the update status is successful. And if we go now and log out and log back in with video.demo1 welcome 123, we should now be able to see that the user now has admin access and can manage. Go to the management options. Go to the management options. We will first start off with statistics. If we open statistics, note how by default the statistics is shown. This is the top 10 albums and it's shown in a pie graph format. Each statistical view can be shown in a variety of graphs, such as a pie graph, donut graph, line graph, bar graph, polar area, and radar area graph. Currently, there are 6 different views: top 10 albums, sales by stores, sales by albums, stock value by album, profit by album, and stock value by store. If we were to click on sales by stores and show that on bar graph format, we will see the sales by stores in a bar graph. As you can see, currently East London has 26 sales, which is the highest sales of all the stores. If we go back to the management function and we go to sales, we can see in sales that it has the same relevant views, just appearing with more information. If we go stock value by store, we will see the amount of stock and the value of that stock per store. If we go back to the management function and we go to orders, we can see that we can order new stocks for a store. Note that these are filtered by the current user login and then the current store that the user is associated with. This can be changed, but on default users will be associated to Menlin. Go back to the management and to stocks, we can now see we fall on the stocks page, which is the same, only shows the store associated to that specific user.